Okay, for this video guys, I would like to share my process and going to the United States back to 2018. Hindi po siya madali, ayan. So, i-share ko sa inyo ha, kung ano talaga yung pinagdaanan ko at ano ba talaga yung totoo. So, which is I came to United States via a fiancé visa, okay? 2018. And then, pagkatapos po, nag-apply ako ng 2-year green card, which is I got my 2-year green card in 2019. And then, pagkatapos noon, ayun nga, uh, hinintay ko magkaroon din yun ng, ayun, pwede ka na mag-apply. So, I was waiting that till the time that I am allowed to apply for a ROC, which is the removal of status. Removal of a condition. So, at the time, guys, I think I received my removal of condition around 2001, I guess. And then, 2001, I think, or 2002. And then, pagkatapos noon, nag-apply na din ako ng for citizenship. And then, after, I think, on the process only of 4 months. And then, nakakuha na din ako ng US citizen on 2023. Yun. So, tapos guys, ayan, nag-dual citizen ako. Nagiging Pilipino din ulit. So, 2024. So, hindi po talaga siya madali, no? It was not a easy journey, to be honest. It cost me a lot, a lot. It was a little bit of expensive. And also, because everything I did the process, no? I never have any agency. So, I have to study well, of course, understanding, and I have to be fill up all the forms with the correct information, so you don't have any what's called that, like a denial, or they will return your application. So mas lalo siyang matagalan. So kaya ayan guys, medyo okay naman talaga yung lahat ng mga application. So at that time talaga nung natapos ko na yung mga application, so that's why I decided to myself that maybe one day I can help for those especially for the Filipino that gustong pumunta ng United States. Ayan, especially meron silang sitwasyon, or they will have this system of May that started especially from fiancé visa, or else even a CR1, which is the spousal visa. So madali lang naman talaga yung proseso. At saka ayun nga, I would like to share also guys, ayan, sa dual citizen nga pala, napakadali lang din, no? So, when I was applied that, ayan, natapos ko naman siya agad. So, I think I was finished my dual citizenship, ayun, wala lang siyang isang buwan, no? So, ayan, it's not a 1 month yet. So, I finished my dual citizenship. In my case, I chose to, you know, have a two record, which is the Philippines and the United States are have different, and then because of the other circumstances yun. So, sa ngayon, yun lang din yung ma-share ko sa inyo. So, hopefully, you will understand. By the way, thank you so much for always supporting to me.